This last video for Chapter 3 will be short and sweet. So we need to talk about the cytoskeleton that supports eukaryotic cells. So think of the cytoskeleton as kind of like the structural support of the cell. So just like our skeleton, right, is our structural support, um, that's going to be the same thing for the cells. So it does have some roles other than just support. But if you look at this picture right here in the upper right, see how the light purple going through the different parts of the cell? That's trying to show you a lot of the structural support. Okay, but it also does help with cell division. It's going to help um, move. So remember we talked about DNA replication and how before a new cell is made, okay, DNA has to be copied and so it can be passed on to that new cell. Well, part of the cytoskeleton is involved in that process. And another part of the cytoskeleton is involved in the physical separation of cells. So one part of the cytoskeleton helps move the newly copied DNA to where it needs to go, and another component is going to actually help one cell divide into two. So it's really pretty neat. Another thing is the cytoskeleton can serve kind of like railroad tracks or a road system for moving things within the cell. So sometimes organelles are made in one area and they need to go somewhere else. And then the cytoskeleton can also help the physical cell move from one location to the next. So please make sure you know those four functions of the cytoskeleton. Very good information to know. The cytoskeleton does have three different components that are listed. Um, sorry, I'm trying to move this so that y'all can see it, but I don't think that's an option. Okay, there are three components of the cytoskeleton. One are microfilaments. We often call these microfilaments, we just call them actin or actin filaments because that's what they're made up of. So that's what you see right here. So one little actin molecule will connect to a series of other actin molecules to form these very thick rope-like structures. This is really helpful for cell contraction and helping a cell kind of change its shape. We do have intermediate filaments that you see in this middle section right here. And that's going to really help form this strong scaffold for a lot of mechanical strength. And then the other major component is called tubulin, and they're called microtubules. So notice in the right looks kind of like a slinky. These little tubulin monomers are going to join together to form this really thick, strong microtubule. So microtubules are made up of tubulin. Microfilaments are made up of actin. Okay. Now microtubules, these tend to be like the road systems in the railroad tracks. So it's going to help organelles and little vesicles transport things throughout the cell. So that's going to be really, really important. All right, for the last slide, we're going to talk about some of those external structures. You guys saw flagella on the prokaryotic cell, and even though we didn't really show them to you on eukaryotic cells, flagella are present there too. For eukaryotic cells, so I'm going to go ahead and write that down here so that you remember that both of these are on eukaryotic cells. Cilia and flagella are the two structures that help with cell motility. Okay, so that means they are going to help these eukaryotic cells move around in their environment. So they're very different in their actual appearance. Okay, so these flagella are very long whip-like structures, normally that are only found at one end of a eukaryotic cell, whereas cilia are these very short hair-like projections that are normally found all over the cell. Okay, so kind of like you see with the sperm cell, you're typically going to find the flagella at one end, like this. And how it moves, I should have started my picture down here. It moves in what's called like an undulate pattern, which is like a snake. Okay, so it moves in kind of this weird diagonal motion. Whereas with cilia, these have a rowing motion, very back and forth. That's a W, I promise. Okay, so cilia have this swaying, rowing motion, whereas flagella have an undulate motion where they kind of move at this weird diagonal orientation. So just remember that the cilia and flagella are on the outside of the cell. So they are external structures. They're found on eukaryotes, and they're mainly used for motility. All right, that is the end of chapter 3.